What is programming? Adventure begins.
Hi there, amazing kids! How's it going? I'm Noreen, and today we're about to explore a whole magical world together. Hey, you! Yeah, you! Are you ready for an epic adventure?
Oh, yes! I'm ready! Yeah!
Okay, Savvy. Have you ever baked a cake? Or maybe made cookies?
Wait. Are we making cookies?
No, you little foodie. Forget about cakes. Tell me, have you ever ridden a bike? Or a scooter? Or maybe
A truck?
no! We're going to drive something way cooler.
Oh, a train? Or an airplane?
Listen up, Sareen. Everything we just talked about needs someone to control it. A train has a conductor. A plane has a pilot.
Wait. Are you telling me we're gonna drive a computer? But computers don't have wheels. Is that even possible?
Yep, computers are so cool. And they have a whole world of mysteries inside them. But here's the thing. Without us, they can't do anything at all.
Wait. So it doesn't just magically know what to do? But when I use my tablet, it already works perfectly.
That's true. Your tablet seems super smart.
But guess what?
Every single game, every single app inside it was created by real people called programmers.
Okay. But what do they actually do?
Well, programmers talk to computers and tell them exactly what to do.
Wow! Like, what kind of stuff?
All sorts of cool things, like making super fun games, or controlling robots, even creating awesome digital paintings and art.
That's it! I'm gonna go talk to my computer right now.
Oh, wait. Do you even know its language?
I'll just tell it to make me an awesome game.
No. Computers only understand their own special language. I'm gonna teach you how to talk to your computer right now.
Wow! So, it's like decoding a secret message? Like a treasure map?
Exactly. And together, we're gonna learn how to make our computer create a whole magical world for us.
Then what are we waiting for, huh? Let's do it! Let's do this!
Get ready, little programmer. Our big adventure starts right now.